back again to my channel, guys. So this is the second day, Tuesday, and morning as usual I started my dusting and cleaning. So my mother-in-law will do puja, so that's why before 9 o'clock we will complete all this. So then I started my cleaning for the day. So firstly, yesterday I put all the bedspreads for washing. So today I am putting the curtains. So curtains मैं आज washing के लिए डाल रही हूँ. And then let's see what I have to do for today. Guys, I hope you are enjoying my videos. I am uploading daily vlogs so for this festive week. So do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. I finished my shower and I am getting ready because I have to go outside for repairing this jar and mixer as it is not working properly since from morning, so I have to make this repair. So it's 1 o'clock in afternoon. I didn't had my lunch. When I return back I am going to have my lunch. So it's done and I returned back to home. I had my lunch and again I started my cleaning. So today I am cleaning all the glass plates, these type of ceramic plates, bowls and glass jars. And also I'm going to clean all the countertop slabs and also the wall of kitchen. After having my lunch I started this working. We wash these plates, utensils, all these things which we use for daily purpose 15 days once or 20 days once. But as this is a festive season, we are starting like this. As it's a festive season, we are cleaning whole each and every things which we use in the kitchen. Let me know in a comment below how your preparations is going on for festival. But be safe, be careful because in a media all they are spreading the news that the third wave is going to come around. So be careful, be care of you and also your family. Safely, happily enjoy the festival season. So we need to prepare some of these sweets. So that's why we are cleaning the kitchen. I think tomorrow we are going to start to make all these sweets and whichever we need to have on the festival. I'm not hanging out all the work in one day itself. I have divided which are all the things that I have to do day by day. So as per that I am working on it. I know you may bore by seeing all these things, but some people may get motivated to work and also to see how the work will be there in other homes. So it's been evening now. When Shivdeep came, I'm going for our aunt's home. I have some work, so I'm going, and I'm going to show you Mishti. She said hi. After many days, I went to their home today because of this busy work and also because of this festive cleaning and all kinds. I didn't went to their home, so today I thought to go and meet her, and also I was had some work, so that's the reason I went. So after returning to home, my mother-in-law and also me, we are preparing for our dinner. She's going to roll out all the chapatis and I'm going to cook and serve for all of us. So like this we do in night times. So as you saw, Shivdeep is having his dinner. After finishing all the rotis, we both also sit together to have our dinner. So guys, I did some of the part of cleaning today. As I went outside for repairing the mixer, I couldn't be able to do so much of cleaning and work on this day. But so glad that it is finished because mixer is very important in day to day cooking. So I completed that work. So after having a dinner, I came to room and I finished my skincare. So like washing my face and also brushing my teeth. And now I am going to sprinkle the rose water. So sometimes I sprinkle the rose water for my skin in night time, and also this biotic lip balm. And at the last, I sit for a while to read a book, and also I have my cup of milk at the night time because it is very healthy before going to sleep. So that's it. I talk for my husband for a while, then I am going to sleep. So I hope you enjoy this video. Till next time, bye bye, take care.